Creating professional jewelry product photography in seconds is now possible with the help of AI, eliminating the need for expensive studio setups. Start by opening your browser and searching for Leonardo AI, then open the website and click on the Start Now option to begin. Once inside, write a detailed prompt describing how you want your jewelry to look, including lighting, reflections, background, and overall luxury presentation. Set the image ratio to 16:9 for a clean and professional layout, and upload your jewelry image so the AI can enhance it accordingly. After submitting everything, the AI processes your input and generates high-quality jewelry visuals within moments, adding realistic shine, depth, and premium styling. The result looks like it was shot in a professional studio with perfect lighting and composition. Once your image is ready, simply download it with a single click and use it for e-commerce, ads, or social media. This AI workflow makes it incredibly easy to create stunning jewelry photography quickly, helping your product stand out with a premium and polished look.